Hello everyone, thank you for joining us. My name is Vance Krier with Advanced Network Management, and today we're going to demo a facility lockdown function utilizing Cisco Physical Access Manager integrated with Cisco Communications Manager for remote facility lockdown. So what we have is a physical access gateway, which is a door module within the Physical Access Manager solution. This particular gateway is controlling two doors. We've got door number one, which is on a schedule. Currently the schedule is open, so it might be a front door of a facility. And we have door number two, which represents a normally locked door, which can only be accessed via card access. This particular endpoint is a 2-in Helios intercom, which has a integrated card reader. What we also have are two credentials. So we've got a typical staff credential, which has access to the facility, and we have an emergency responder badge, which may be given out to emergency response personnel. It could be first responders, local police, SWAT team, whatever. And in this particular example, the police badge is not functional during normal business hours. So we have our staff badge, to show you that it works. And then we'll test our police badge, which does not. Okay, so let's say we want to integrate or initiate a facility lockdown function. We simply go up to our Cisco phone, press the button that says Facility Lockdown. Now, it takes a few seconds for it to run through, lock all the doors, deactivate all the badges, and trigger the last rule, which is our lockdown signal. Now, in this particular instance, we're triggering a relay that could be firing a siren or a strobe or perhaps any type of integration with a third-party system, maybe closed gates or really anything. And as you noticed, our normally scheduled open door went into a lockdown state. Now, as I talked before, the staff badges will actually become deactivated. So in this particular instance, the staff badge no longer works, and our emergency responder badge does work. And this particular door requires a PIN. Okay, so both doors are now utilizing a new set of policies that allow the emergency responder badges to work and our staff badges to not work. So now that the lockdown event has cleared, we no longer need to be in a lockdown state. We can go back to our phone and simply press a button for Facility Lockdown Reset. And this essentially goes through and backs out all those changes. So you'll see the lockdown light turn off. The door will go back to its normally scheduled state. And at this point, our staff credentials are working again. And our emergency responder credentials are not. Now, in a demo scenario, we obviously have the buttons set up such that they don't require a password. In a production environment, you may wish to enable some password protection or other means to secure those functions so that you don't have either malicious or accidental lockdown events. But that's the demo. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.